If you're in the startup phase, 6 months up to a year, there's a program available, and you actually only need 500 FICO score. If you're at the 2-year mark and you have a 600 FICO score, I would look at a term loan.
This can be huge. We have the first option, 25% prepayment discount, where whatever interest you owe, if you pay it off early, you get a discount of 25% off whatever interest is still owed. You get a lower price, see 1.15 to 1.25, terms up to 18 months. Option 2, though, 100% prepayment discount. Check that out. Now, you're agreeing to a higher price, 1.22 to 1.32. However, if you pay it off early, you get 100% discount on your interest, and you can do up to 24 months now on that. What do you mean 25% discount, 100% discount? I'm a little confused. We understand. Let me give you a quick example. In this scenario, let's assume the business owner got approved for $100,000 and they agreed to pay 1.28 back. They're going to pay back $128,000 over 12 months, let's say. And let's say they've paid on it now for 2 months and they choose to pay off the remaining balance because they came into some money and they want to get it paid off. Well, in scenario setup for both examples, the 25% discount or the 100%, here's what it looks like. They got $100,000. They agreed to pay back $128 over 12 months. The payment, $128 divided by 52 weeks, because they're weekly payments, is $24.61 a week. And then they pay that for 8 weeks. So after 8 weeks, they've paid 8 payments of $24.61, which means they've paid $19,692. The remaining balance, remember, they agreed to pay back $128. $128 minus $19,600 is $108,000 is what their current balance is. So if they wanted to pay it off early now, they owe $108, right? But we get them discounts for paying it off early. A bank may charge them a fee to pay it off early. We're going to get them a discount to pay it off early, right? Here's how it works. On a 25% prepayment discount, what that means is you're still required to pay all your remaining principal, all of that, but any unpaid interest is discounted by 25%. So they won't owe the full 108. They're going to get a discount. How much? Well, the remaining interest of that, $28,000 they agreed to pay up front. They've paid $4,300 in interest so far. You don't have to know how, but of those first 8-week payments, $4,300 of it was interest. So the remaining interest they owe is $23,000. So you apply the 25% discount to the $23,000. That means $5,900 is going to come off as a discount to the total balance owed. All right. So the discounted interest to pay is $23,000 that you still owed minus the $5,900. So you only have to pay $17,000 in interest instead of the full $23,000. Okay. Remaining principal, you've paid $15,000 so far. You owe $84,000, Mrs. Business Owner. So you owe the $84,000 principal plus the discounted interest of $17 equals $102. So on the left there, you see how it says $108? That's what they really owe.
Now, we do have a buy down program that we can, if they don't qualify for one of our select fundings, we can take some lesser cost on that. But for highly qualified businesses, we're going to offer repayment rates of anywhere from a 118 to a 129 on these programs. A $245,000 offer that we made with a 25% and a $240 at a 12 months with the 100%. And you can see the difference of what the annual cost on those. We had a healthcare company with 100%. We had a consulting company there, and that wasn't the 100%, but it was because the 100% is only on 12 months deals. But these rates are really, really jam up rates, and we're getting these people these offers.